the womb, I thought that I would see the world, until I felt the worst pain that I can't explain. I felt the doctor taking me apart, my little heart still beating. It's a shock that I was still breathing. My mama was crying, her little baby boy was dying, trying to hang on, but I know that there was no surviving. When the cold metal broke me into mad pieces, I felt my soul separate from my whole reason. Ask her why she made me go, it's a mystery. Maybe Papa was a rolling stone and he left her home, so now she all alone, afraid to be a single mother, afraid to bring me on the globe where I'm bound to suffer. They say God works in mysterious ways, but what you say to a mother that regrets the day she killed her own son with no gun? Just one visit to a clinic, now there's no one. It's a struggle in the womb, gotta understand. Everything happens for a reason to your man. It's hard to get it, but the soul forever infinite. It's a struggle every minute, kid, I still miss him. It's a struggle in the womb, you gotta understand. Everything happens for a reason to your man. It's hard to get it, but the soul forever infinite. It's a struggle every minute, kid, I still miss him. Born once again, but this time I am alive. Arrived on April 7th with a mission to revive the life of the ones with the low self-esteem. Abortions couldn't stop me, resurrected on the scene to bring all the knowledge to those that feel depressed. Life is deeper than you think, awoken after death, huh? No defects, but I still feel the real pain from another scene, gone from the last frame. Last name different, but the soul still the same. First name different, but the soloist remains, huh? I came into the game with a knack for telling stories. Some of y'all think I'm lying, won't you tell it for me? An abortion that was meant to be the ending for me, but I made it through the storm inside my respiratory. Born with the yellow skin, addicted to the heroin. Daddy used the needles, now I'm using them for record spins. It's a struggle in the womb, gotta understand. Everything happens for a reason to your man. It's hard to get it, but the soul forever infinite. It's a